We're halfway through 2026, and if this year hasn't looked exactly the way you planned, I need you to hear this. You still have time. I'm Lauren Corrett from Data Dive, and if you'll hear me out, I have a deal to offer you at the end of this video. Prime Day is right around the corner, and it's one of the biggest seller opportunities all year. But here's the thing, Amazon has changed the game. Running deals this Prime Day isn't what it used to be. You're expected to discount your products, pay Amazon a cut of your sales, and on top of that, pay a flat fee just to participate. For a lot of sellers, that math just doesn't work anymore. But the opportunity is still massive. The sellers who are going to win this Prime Day aren't necessarily the ones running the most deals. They're the ones who showed up prepared. With optimized listings, focused PPC, and a real handle on their inventory and profit margins before the traffic started. That's where Data Dive comes in. And here's what I promised you at the beginning of this video. Right now and until June 23rd, you can get 30% off for 3 months of Data Dive. I'm going to say that again because it's huge. 30% off for your first 3 months with Data Dive. You can find the link to get this savings in the description of this video below. We're halfway through the year. Prime Day is almost here. The sellers who use these next few days to get their data right, they're the ones who are going to be able to say that 2026 was an incredible year as a seller. Don't let this one pass you by. Don't miss out on Prime Day, and don't miss out on these incredible savings that we're offering just for you. The link with this limited offer is below. Go and get it.